Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the world of MEXC, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges available today. If you're new here, don't worry. I'm here to guide you step by step through the MEXC login process and share some exciting benefits you can enjoy by using my referral code 12K4M5. First, let's talk about the MEXC login process. It's incredibly user-friendly and straightforward. Begin by visiting the MEXC official website. Once you arrive on the homepage, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, don't fret. Just click on the Sign Up option, and you can create an account in minutes. Now, here's the exciting part. Using the referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up or log in can really elevate your trading experience. When you use this code, you'll unlock exclusive bonuses and rewards that you won't want to miss out on. These perks are specifically designed to enhance your trading capabilities and help you maximize your profits. Using the MEXC platform comes with multiple advantages. Not only do they offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade, but they also provide advanced trading tools and features that can cater to both beginners and seasoned traders. With your referral code, you'll enjoy additional incentives that can give you a head start in the crypto market. Another great benefit of using the referral code 12K4M5 is access to promotional events and trading contests often held by MEXC. These events can include prize pools and giveaways, giving you further chances to grow your crypto portfolio. So, whether you're already familiar with crypto or just starting your journey, logging into MEXC with their user-friendly interface and utilizing the referral code 12K4M5 is a smart move. In conclusion, don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your trading experience with MEXC. Hit that login button today, enter my referral code, and start exploring the endless possibilities in the cryptocurrency world. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more informative content and tips to help you navigate the exciting realm of cryptocurrency.